We're right here at the base of Mount Rainier at the Nisqually River, and this is actually where the bridge was supposed to be in order to cross over. But as you can see right here, the river rose to the point where it washed the bridge right into the middle of the river. Now, park authorities have said that the river rose because of the heat that we've been experiencing over the past couple of days. But they're also telling us that this probably won't be the last time something like this happens. The grueling heat wave has left its mark on Puget Sound. But while workers deal with cracked roads and power outages, Mount Rainier is also falling victim to the blazing temperatures. After days of triple-digit heat, snow levels are several times lower than what they normally would be, and all that water is changing how the mountain looks faster than authorities can react.
The Nisqually River behind me here is several times the volume that it normally would be if we weren't in the middle of such a heat wave, and that's what caused this trail bridge that we're next to here to wash out.
Melting snow and ice on the mountain is a bigger problem than some may think. Glaciers on Mount Rainier store huge amounts of water, but as they melt, that water may be released during what's called a glacier outburst flood, which is bad news for those living near the rivers that Rainier's glaciers feed into.
And those floods can be several times the size even of the high river that we have here. That can cause the river to leave its bank and actually endanger people who live close to the river.
And even though this heat wave is new, trends show that it's getting warmer in western Washington, which means these effects may be something that we'll just have to get used to.
Events like this are going to become more common as climate change sets in. So you're going to have more intense storms, you're going to have more intense heat waves. That's going to cause more snow to melt. Now, park authorities say that Pierce County has installed monitors and sirens in nearby places like Ashford in order to warn residents of potential flooding. However, they're also telling us that with the long-term effects of climate change and the rising river levels, that a bigger, more permanent solution is going to be needed to deal with this issue. For now, we're at Mount Rainier. Lionel Donovan, King 5 News.